With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, we have to select the organ which is not vestigial. Now, first of all, let's try to understand the significance of the term vestigial organ. Vestigial organ means that it is not functional, it is not useful to the organism anymore. So, it is present in a reduced form, or we can say only its remnants are left. But as we all know, the evolution is a process which is ongoing. It is always active in nature, and because of evolution we are able to see gradual changes in all the life forms over the course of time. So some of the organisms which are closely related to each other, we can establish evolutionary relationships or the phylogenetic relationships between them, and we can observe that the closely related species which have a common ancestor are generally going to share many structures in their anatomy also. So that is why, despite being apparently useless, these reduced structures or the remnants of organs which were once useful to us are still left in the bodies of living organisms because they were useful to the ancestors, and it is possible that they are still functional or useful in the other closely related species. So let us see which of these structures are vestigial. Wings of kiwi. Yes, kiwi is a flightless bird, so its wings are useless for it. Flightless birds are a completely different group. They have evolved so that they can live in the terrestrial habitat and they are not capable of flight anymore. So their wings are vestigial. Only the remnants are left because they belong to the class of birds and all of them have wings. Next, the coccyx in man. By coccyx we mean the tailbone. So again, there is no use for tailbone, but since it was found in our primate ancestors, in us also this coccyx bone is found, so it is vestigial. Similarly, the pelvic girdle of python, because the pelvic girdle is an element of the skeletal system which helps in articulating the hind limbs or the legs of the animal to its axial skeleton. But obviously the python is a snake, so it doesn't have the limbs anymore, whether it is hind limbs or forelimbs. So the remnants of the pelvic girdle that it is having, they are useless. It's a vestigial structure. So flipper of seal will be a correct answer over here. Option D will be correct answer, because the forelimb of the seal is not useless in any way. The seal uses it for locomotion, seal uses it for swimming as a pedal. So this is the only structure which is useful, presently useful to the organism. Otherwise, the wings of the kiwi bird, tailbone of man, pelvic girdle of snakes, all of these are vestigial structures because they are not functional anymore. They are present in a reduced form only because over the course of evolution they have not been completely eliminated, since they were found in the ancestors. So they have been reduced but not completely removed from the body. But flipper is a structure which is used for swimming. It is very much useful, so we are not going to call it vestigial. Our correct answer is option D.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.